May I request all of you to kindly mute yourself? Thank you. A hearty welcome to one and all at UniQ Kuch Baatein Zindagi Ki by 3H Companion Family. 3H works by the people, of the people, and for the people, believes in connection, cultivation, and contribution in the field of education, human empowerment, civilization, spirituality, rejuvenation, innovation, and integrity. 3H Companion holds workshops, training sessions, innovations with teachers, students, principals, and people from everywhere. So today, this family is privileged with the gracious presence of our guest of honor, Mr. Pagadapalli Raja Rao, founder and president, Telangana Kala Parishad. He is director of operations in India. He is also an American International Education Federation and chairman for Global Child Mission India. Sir has done a lot of work in the field of social, spiritual, and awareness programs. His journey is continue. And we also have our eminent speakers with us, Ms. Vishakha Gupta, Principal, Bacon High School, Pune, and Mrs. Priya Singh, Noida, a super mom and founder, Khwab Zindagi Ke. So now I would like to give a warm welcome with a round of applause to each of our guests and also the participants here on Zoom, YouTube channel, and Facebook page. So hearty welcome to one and all, and I request Sir Pagidipalli Raja Rao ji to enrich us with his golden frame of words.
Thank you, Chanchal Bhargav ma'am. Really, it's a wonderful opportunity for me to speak from my heart. Because whenever I speak, generally I speak whatever the content that is available in the market or on social media, internet, or whatever we have learned in our experience. But as it is instructed by Your Excellency to speak from our heart, it's a pleasure to share my views on life. So when we are talking about life, life is a divine gift. People say there are so many lives a person can live, but I strongly believe that we have only one life. I don't believe in many lives. Of course, it may be the perception of some people. I don't argue on that, but it is my personal belief that God has sent us here with a purpose. Every person has a destiny which should be completed by that particular person. So when it is a divine gift, we have to make our life a purposeful life. We have to lead a life with a purpose. But we can see there are so many people who are taking life as it is granted. It should not be like that. As the pandemic is devastating, the second wave of COVID-19 in India, life has no value. Because we can see several dead bodies that are floating in holy rivers. That's a really pathetic situation that we are seeing in the present scenario. And we can see the living persons, most loved persons, most lovable persons, they are in the streets in search of are in journey to get their medication because of this pandemic. So we haven't had experience, we haven't had imagined this situation 2 years before. But if we have valued the lives of people even in 2020, when the first wave pandemic hit us, because we have witnessed the migrant people crisis, because there are many situations in India when people were talking about Mars journey, but we were proudly talking about Mars journey, but we were unable to provide transport to the people, those who are walking on the roads. So the problem is we are not giving importance to lives. Even today, many people are dying in the streets. They were buried in the sands of the river, and some were thrown into the rivers. Very pathetic situation we have been seeing. Still, we are not giving importance to the life. Our priorities are entirely different. It's not a political talk, it's a general talk, because if some good things are done, we'll say it's good. If bad things are done, we say it's bad. So the problem is when we are talking about it's a divine gift, but some political sort of things are making lives are vulnerable. So we have to take responsibility, because we should not expect someone will come and save us, because that happens in movies. That happens in movies. Heroes will come and save people, but it doesn't happen in real life. There may be heroes, but they cannot come to rescue us. It is your and it is my responsibility to take care of your life or my life. When everyone takes the responsibility of, because we have to remember this, life is a gift given by God. We have to take care of it. We have to find out the destiny, what we have. So in my personal life, there is one incident that reminded me of my destiny. Actually, up to the age of 24, I was like anything. No one can stop me. Nobody can reach me. Such type of person I am. But after 24 to 34, approximately a decade, I took a break from my life, because I compromised with my life. I compromised because up to 24, I had a lot of dreams. I used to think that I can do anything in my life. But after 24 to 34, I took a break. I compromised with my life. Just if I live, that's enough. I can't do anything beyond that. Such type of notion I have. But after seeing the movie Sultan, that's a Salman Khan movie that was released in 2016, there was one scene in that movie. Salman Khan was crying by standing in front of a mirror. We can see a long belly, and his flashback was a great flashback. So when I was seeing that scene, absolutely that scene reminded of my life, because up to 2024, I achieved a lot of so many milestones in my life. Even when I was in teenage and engaged, I used to get so many praises for my work. But after that, I stopped all my work. I compromised with my life. I thought that I couldn't do anything. But while I was seeing that movie, he cries. He keeps on crying by standing in front of mirror, by seeing his past glory, by remembering his past glory. After that scene, he went to the ring and he fought. He won it. So after seeing that scene, I think that why should I compromise with my life? Why shouldn't I fight back? So as he won, I too can win. I too can win in my life. So in 2016, I started my what we call an NGO that is called Telangana Kala Parishad. I want to do something in my life. I want to do something with my life. So when I started Kala Parishad, I said that we'll take the problems to Chief Minister. So when I said that comment, people laughed at me saying that we are 20 years in the industry, we didn't reach even MLA. You are saying that Chief Minister. But after a few days, I said that it's not Chief Minister, but I meet Prime Minister. I meet President of India. We started in 2016 and we got an invitation in 2019 to meet the President of India. So in 3 years of my dedicated work, got invitations from so many governors, chief minister, including our President of India. So only from one scene in a movie that has completely changed my life. So in 2021, I started an international organization to campaign it for world peace. So in 2020, when we see the struggle of people that are devastated by COVID-19 pandemic, we started World Peace Campaign, and we got applause from more than 50 nations, presidents and prime ministers. So this is all happened because of one scene in a movie. So for me, when I see my life, so I feel very happy because in 2015 and 2016, I was completely frustrated with my life because I used to think that I was a great person, but by 2015 and 16, it's my end of my life. I was thinking like that, but I rejuvenated my life because I found my destiny. And I think that I can fight back. So I started fighting again. So ever since 2016, I don't want to live my life for my sake, but I want to live for others. So that is the purpose I found in my life. So I want to make myself happy, and I want to make others too happy. So every person, whoever finds this life is given by God as a gift, then it has a purpose, that is to live happy, that is to live happily, and we have a responsibility to make others happily. We should not wait for others to come and rescue us. It is our responsibility to take care of ourselves, and we have to rescue others. Thank you, Chanchal ma'am. Thank you so much, and thank you, team. Thank you.
Such an inspirational life you are leading, and really, we actually organize these talks, you can say, or event, Reinvent Awesome You at Unique You, because everybody has a story or uniqueness. And when we hear or listen from each other, we are inspired. And thank you so much for telling us that turning point of your life that has inspired us today, and many, maybe others also listening us here on this platform. And though I have, I think, spoken many times that you really nailed it, that life is a wonderful gift of God. But if we make others' life, it will be our gift to God. And all shall do this, all shall bring this in karmas, that let's make others happy, and automatically you will be happy. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like Ina ma'am to further take this journey ahead. Ina ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much, Chanchal ma'am. What a great day to start off with Dr. Raja Rao Pagidali ji telling us all about the inspiration and everything. It's great to have you here, sir, and all the other guests also, Miss Priya Singh and Vishakha Gupta ma'am. Great to have you here on this show, and would be going further with the. I don't think so. Anybody requires introduction here. I just feel pleasure to be associated with this part where I introduce people here. It's thank you so much, Anchan ma'am, for this work. It's really very nice to read the lives of the people and share what they have done till now, and what they would be doing further will come from their own mouth. It's real wonderful. So first of all, I would like to introduce Vishakha ma'am, Ms. Vishakha Gupta. She is an educator with more than 22 years of experience in teaching, skill development, and school administration with numerous reputed schools across the country. Pleasure to have you, ma'am, here on 3H Companion Unique You program.
Thank you
Currently,
so much.
currently working as a principal at Pune. She's also a certified CBSE resource person for the capacity building programs in assessment of speaking and listening skills, classroom management, remodel structure of assessment, career guidance, upholding ethics and integrity in schools, leading transformation and happy classrooms. What a wonderful person to have you around, because I'm also from the education background. She has been a speaker in webinars undertaking discussions on NEP 2020, life skills, personality development, time management, communication strategies, Bloom's taxonomy, parenting, anger management, adolescent and associated concerns and their handling, to name a few, and there are many more. She has received certificates of appreciation from the HRD Ministry for 2 consecutive years, a recipient of the prestigious Nachiketa Award for innovative methods in teaching of English and appreciation certificates at CBSE Life Skills Summits at the regional and at the international level. Great to have you, ma'am, here for this. And also, I would like to tell the audience that she has been awarded by IIHM for her contributions and a recipient of an Excellence Award by SNBP Group of Institutes. The Rotary Club Pune has felicitated her as a COVID warrior for her contributions to the society. She has been a subject specialist English for staff selection at BSF schools, Bangalore, DAV, ONT, and GGIS Pune. Her hobbies are she has anchored with Doordarshan Delhi. That's really nice. And she has also authored a section in a book on child safety and co edited it too, which is under the print currently. So very soon we are going to get it. I would be reading it too. Recently, she has penned a story for a book titled Life in 2020 and have written columns for the newspaper. She is a voracious reader too. She feels that she possesses the ability to generate ideas in a clear and concise way with effective exchange of knowledge, information, and ideas through teacher, parent, and student training, planning for remediation process for student welfare, and develop strategies for excellent team building. Absolutely, ma'am. Great to have you here. And let's welcome Ms. Vishakha Gupta on board.
Thank you. Thank you so much. My humble pronouns to all the esteemed educators here. Yes, Inaji, you were saying something.
No, ma'am, you can say something to our audience. You can continue with that.
So it's an esteemed August gathering of educationists, and I am still a learner. I always consider myself a learner, and I guess I'm speaking the truth because the electricity resumed.
Okay. You already mentioned it in the beginning that, and this is a technical glitch everywhere it is happening. In India, at many places we face this. So I think
Pune, it's the rainy season has started, so we are doubly careful when we are attending or organizing any webinars.
Great.
Right. So now when you ask me about uniqueness, I would like to start by saying that be original, because once you are original, you are yourself unique. To be original, be yourself.
Very
and you'll be unique. So before I go ahead, see, my mentors have always taught me that we have to teach in various ways. So everybody, wherever you have a paper or a pen, whatever you have around you, please pick it up and draw a face. I know Inaji and Chanchalji that possibly this is a little detour, but I would request everybody to do it. Draw a face with anything, geometric shapes, a face, everybody. Draw a face. And let's see, I'll give you 30 seconds to quickly draw that face and show it to me.
Ma'am, Vishakha ma'am, your voice was cracking a little. So can you just repeat what you said?
Yeah, I said I would request everybody to draw a face. Give it features the way you like, an artist like a drawing. Choice is entirely yours, but draw a face.
All right. Everybody has to draw a face.
Yes.
All right.
All right, let's see the face. Can you all show the face that we've made?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Is it visible?
That's nice. Yes, it's visible. All right.
I have used all
geometrical
symbols.
All right. So now the 2 or 3 faces that we can see people have made here. Yes, they are faces, but are they same?
No, they are not same. They are all different.
They are not same. So when the faces that we make, the drawings that we do aren't same, why should we compare ourselves with others and say, why am I not like that person? Why am I not like him? Why am I not like her? When I am unique, I am different. And that difference is with the special qualities that God has made us with. And why should I be upset about it? Let me narrate a little story to you. There was a teacher and she took these 6 children in her class to the park. And she told these children, okay, observe whatever you can and come back and tell me 2 to 3 lines of what you saw and what you liked and what you disliked. And the children were dispersed in the park. Children came back after 5 minutes and one said, I saw a few beautiful birds out there and I was so inspired by them. I clicked a few pictures. The other said, I love the grass, the tree, the flowers. A third child came and said, I was very disheartened. And the teacher said, why were you disheartened? He said, I saw those dead leaves lying on the ground. And those pale leaves saddened my heart. The path was the same, the ambience was the same, but the perception differed. And which is why we are unique, because we have unique perceptions. We have unique thoughts and ideas.
Absolutely,
and these thoughts and
Vishakha.
Yeah, thank you.
Very well
These
said and very well explained.
ideas are the things that set us apart. Thank you. In community. So
Well said.
then,
Well said.
thank you.
Yes, very
So now
true.
when-
Vishak.
Chanchal ma'am, may
Yes.
I introduce Priya
So
ma'am
now
as
what
well?
has happened is,
Yes, yes. We please go ahead and we'll come back then again to Vishakha ma'am.
All right, because Vishakha ma'am's voice is also cracking a bit. We are not able to hear
Yes,
the ma'am.
okay.
Yes,
So what
yes,
I'll
yes.
do is
No
I'll mute my mobile for a moment and I'll join through the computer.
Yes,
Sure,
yes, yes. Sure.
All right, welcome Priya Singh ma'am. And I would say a few things about her to the audience, which I think people are not aware of. She is Priya Singh. Miss Priya Singh is from Noida, wife of a loving and caring husband, and a mother of a 8-month-old baby boy. Great, ma'am, to have you here. She likes to help people, and that's the reason she, along with one of her friends, started an NGO by the name Khwab Zindagi Ke. Her hobbies include crafts, painting, waste cycling, gardening, jewelry making, and cooking. Wow, number of them. We are going to discuss some of them definitely. She's a person wonderful thoughts. She believes that no work is big or small. What is important is to keep working. Thank you so much, Ms. Priya Singh, for coming on this platform of 3H Companion in Unique You. I would like you to
Thank you, Ina
say
ma'am.
something to the audience.
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank you, Chanchal ma'am and Nina ma'am, for inviting me and having me to the show. I've been seeing this show since first episode released. Ina ma'am was the guest then. So Chitta bhi, I was looking at the episodes. I really feel that there are so many people, and everybody, people are unique in themselves only, like in a different way. Everybody is unique, and this is the quality we all are having. That nobody is less, and nobody is more than anyone. Everybody is unique, and I like the name Unique You. It's something which is bringing out. द बेस्ट फ्रॉम आवर सेल्व्स राइट जैसा कि विशाखा मैम ने कहा कि आप जो है वो बन के रहिए एंड आई बिलीव दैट ओरिजिन द जब आप होते हैं देन यू आर द ओरिजिनल वर्जन एंड बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ सो यस द की इज बी योरसेल्फ जैसे है वैसे रहिए एंड things will fall in place automatically. Thank you.
Very right. Very right. Life becomes easier when
Yes.
you are original and you see only what actually you are doing other than what everyone else doing.
Right.
Great, ma'am. Thank you. since our spotlight is upon you, so let me ask you the thing which is coming to my mind now. That is, after listening to your introduction and by Ina ma'am. So first of all, let me thank Ina ma'am for every time be our superstar, taking all the things and all. I think she is stealing our heart too with her smile, with her gestures and expressions. So
Definitely.
sweet of you, Ina ma'am. Thank you. So Priya ma'am,
जी.
like I saw in your profile there was a word like mother. So you are a super mom. You're a nurturer of a God's creation, that is child. Do you feel the child in you when you are with your baby?
A very good question. And motherhood, since I'm very new to motherhood, my baby boy is of 8 months only. So definitely whenever I'm with my child or any other child, I become a child. I do things, I do pagalpanti, I do crazy things with him. And what is the most important thing, and what is the best thing at that time is he is smiling, he's laughing, looking at me, doing crazy things. So yeah, and as you said, I'm a super mom. I believe every mother is a super mom. हर एक माँ जो है वो सुपर मॉम है, क्योंकि वो अपने बच्चों के साथ में बहुत सारी चीजें करती है. नॉट ओनली मी, हमें अपना करियर भी देखना है, हमें अपना घर भी देखना है, अपने हस्बैंड को भी संभालना है, ससुराल भी देखना है, मायका भी देखना है, एंड देन हमारा बेबी. So every mother is a super mom, I believe, and salute to every mother. And yes, I become a child whenever I am with any of the child, not only my son, any child I am with, I become a child and do crazy things.
So I think those are the best moments. And if you ask somebody, they also tell that it's childhood. That memories we always keep cherishing all through the life.
Exactly.
So
Absolutely.
I believe
So being-
कि जो बच्चा आपके अंदर है वो हमेशा रहना चाहिए. द चाइल्ड इनसाइड यू शुड बी अलाइव ऑल द टाइम. मतलब आपको कभी ऐसा होना ही नहीं चाहिए कि आप बड़े हो गए, नाउ यू आर मैच्योर, अब आपको बचपना नहीं करना, आपको मैच्योर बन के रहना है, आप बहुत समझदार है. नो, डू क्रेजी थिंग्स, लिव योर लाइफ फुल्ली.
And that happens only when you spend some time with these kids, with the people whom you can do that, what you said, pagalpanti, the craziness.
Exactly,
Right?
exactly.
Okay, great. Now Vishakha ma'am is here, or I shall continue with Priya ma'am only.
Chanchal ji,
Ina
I'm
ma'am?
present.
Vishakha ma'am
Okay.
is there.
ओके दिल की धड़कन फिर से सुनाई दे गई एक बार. अरे विशाखा मैम, last time, actually everything we teachers and principals, we always recapitulate and then begin. So last time you actually spoke that आप means me, आप registration करा लेते हो और फिर जाने क्या क्या. अब ये जो जाने क्या क्या है, इसमें लोगों के दिलों में बहुत सारे इंक्विजिटिवनेस, क्यूरियोसिटी आ गई है. भाई एक बार जरा आप हमें लाइमलाइट करिए कि वो ऐसा क्या कर दिया मैंने कि हम क्या कर देते हैं.
रजिस्ट्रेशन करा देते हैं, आप लोगों को हीरो बना देते हैं. आप लोगों को हीरो और हीरोइंस बना देते हैं. आप लोगों को वो कॉन्फिडेंस दे देते हैं कि हाँ वो कर सकते हैं. You give that spark in the people that yes, if you can do this much, you can do much more. और वो एक स्टार्ट देना शायद लाइफ में सबके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. हम रोड पे जब हम साइकिल चलाना सीखते हैं तो वो स्टार्टिंग हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होती है. एक बार हमें पेडल मारना आ जाए, हैंडल संभालना आ जाए, फिर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हम साइकिल दौड़ाते हैं. बट साइकिल चलाने के वो इनिशियल स्टेप्स जब बच्चा चलना शुरू करता है, प्रिया ये बात शायद बहुत अच्छी तरह समझेंगी. मेरा बच्चा
विशाखा जी 1 मिनट में आपको स्टॉप बीच में इंटरप्ट कर रही हूँ. आई एम वेरी सॉरी. इना मैम प्लीज म्यूट एवरीबॉडी. Ina ma'am, kindly mute.
Chanchal ma'am, unmute yourself. I have muted everyone.
It's okay. Ina ma'am, it's okay. You can mute me also. Oh, except Vishakha ma'am, just mute everybody.
अच्छा, am I audible, लीना जी?
Yes, yes.
Vishakha ji.
तो मैंने बोला जब बच्चा चलना शुरू करता है तो वो जो उसके बेबी स्टेप्स होते हैं वो लड़खड़ाता है, यहाँ गिरता है, वहाँ गिरता है, और जब उसकी हाथ थामने वाले जो माँ बाप होते हैं वो काम शायद आप कर रही हैं कि लोगों को जहाँ कॉन्फिडेंस की ज़रूरत है तो ये एक ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म आप उन्हें प्रोवाइड कर रही हैं जहाँ दिल से बातें हो रही हैं, कोई स्क्रिप्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई रिटन मटेरियल की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो बातें जो हमारी ज़िंदगी में हो चुकी हैं, द थिंग्स दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस, जिसे बोलने में कोई हिचक नहीं है, कोई स्क्रिप्टेड लाइंस नहीं है जो याद करके बोलनी है, कोई पॉइंट छूट जाएगा तो क्या होगा उसकी टेंशन नहीं है, वहाँ पर लोगों को एक बोलना आता है, और जब बोलना आता है तो वो उनकी शुरुआत होती है, एंड this puts them on the track of life, whether it is speaking, whether it is confidence. तो उस दिन शायद टाइम खत्म हो रहा था, नहीं तो मैं आपको ये पूरा इतना लंबा कॉम्प्लीमेंट देती जो आज मैं श्योरली आपके पूछने पर देना चाह रही थी. चंचल जी, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Thank you so much. Actually, हम तो घबरा गए थे कि like you know we are actually on the track of reinventing awesome us, right?
जी.
And if ma'am is saying कि क्या क्या हो रहा है, तो एक की जगह बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही है इसका मतलब. So let us discuss about what is your view, what is your opinion. So thank you so much because we are also having the same mindset to start this program. When we start, we think the same, that one should always share about experience or the uniqueness that always inspire others. As we see in films, like Sir said in the beginning, children are very much inspired by all their favorite actors or actresses or their dialogues and even the advertisement. So why not from the people? Why not from their experiences? You know, time is short always. We want to listen, we want to share, but there is no sharing. So I thought to connect 2 years to bring it close to our heart, and that's what is happening. Thank you. It means you have spoken this, it means our vision and mission is rightly on the track. Thank you once again. So there is one more question in my mind from your actually profile. You got prestigious Nachiketa Award, right? And that is for your innovatory methods of teaching English.
Yes.
So can you please share any of your innovative method of teaching English?
Okay. I started with that when I was taking training. I was told that there are children of different kinds. There are learning styles and learning abilities. तो अगर मैं कंसेप्ट में जाती हूँ, मैं बहुत शॉर्ट में बताऊंगी. वार्क लर्निंग स्टाइल्स होते हैं, विजुअल, ऑडिटरी, रीड एंड राइट एंड काइनेस्थेटिक. हर बच्चे के हिसाब से जब हम एक चीज़ पढ़ाते हैं क्लास में, इन सब लर्निंग स्टाइल्स का ध्यान में रखते हुए हमारा लेसन प्लान होना चाहिए. अगर उसका लर्निंग स्टाइल विजुअल है, ऑडिटरी है सुन के सीखेगा, रीड एंड राइट है लिख कर पढ़ के सीखेगा, काइनेस्थेटिक है करके सीखेगा. He will do and learn. And when all of these are involved into an activity, then it is said that the activity or the teaching is successful, because we assume that 98% of the students, 97 to 98% of the students have been able to grasp it. They have been able to understand. Still, I will not say 100% because वहाँ पर हमारी IQ भी आ जाती है. बट जब हम इन लर्निंग स्टाइल्स का ध्यान में रखते हैं कि हमारे इस तरह के अलग अलग बच्चे होते हैं, तो हमारी टीचिंग लर्निंग क्लास में बेटर होती है. तो इसके ऊपर आप बोलेंगे तो एक दिन टीचर्स का सेशन ले लेंगे कि कैसे वार्क इंट्रोड्यूस करें.
Yes, very right, and we should tell. Like one example is.
Chanchal ma'am.
Yes, please.
Chanchal ma'am, you can continue, but I
Yes.
have a question related to this only from Vishakha ma'am. After you
Right.
then I'll be asking the question.
No, Ina ma'am. My question may be similar to yours. So you
Okay.
shall, okay, you shall ask. I can understand as a psychological counselor that what you are going to ask. So you just continue with yours. It would be same what you are going to ask. Come on, yes,
All right, all right. I had something related to teachers.
very
Basically,
good.
when you have this work style, we usually discuss it for one students, because teachers have 40 to 50 students in front of them. And not
Correct.
only that, they are not only going to one class, they are going to various classes on the particular day and
Correct.
every day.
Correct.
So how do they manage this balance? They do understand this, that there are different learning styles, and I think they are able to do it in the lower classes, pre-primary and primary. I have seen it happening, but if we go to the higher standards, it's definitely not there. And teachers, we are learning it as a teacher, but then we are not able to apply it somehow. So Vishaka ma'am, I really want inputs on this. How can we improve on this part? It's a genuine question from coming from the heart.
Ina ji, I don't mind sharing. I can give an entire 1 to 2 hour training on this. But then here, because we are talking दिल से, तो मैं आपको सिर्फ एक छोटी सी बात बताऊंगी. ये सब कुछ दिल से होता है. अगर
Very right.
टीचर की इच्छा है करने की, उसे अपने बच्चों में चेंज चाहिए. If she wants to see a change, I have come across teachers who, were not liked in classes, but then presently the children go down and bend their feet and they remember those teachers because वो टीचर हमारे साथ स्ट्रिक्ट थी, उसका लर्निंग स्टाइल, टीचिंग स्टाइल ये था, मुझे समझा उसने क्या पढ़ाया, मुझे आज तक याद है उन्होंने क्या पढ़ाया. And if that happens, the task is done. See, the CBSE has given us a free hand in group activities. We have debates, we have PPT presentations. और PPT presentation जब एक ने present किया तो उसने लिख कर किया, दूसरे ने उस PPT को देखा, तीसरे ने उस PPT का ऑडियो सुना, चौथे ने, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला ड्रॉ करिए, मैंने काइनेस्थेटिक काम कराया और उस काइनेस्थेटिक को समझाया. मैंने आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाई, आपने वो स्टोरी सुनी, उसको एनालाइज किया. तो 2 स्टाइल्स तो मैंने यहाँ पर दिखा दिया आपको.
Very right.
Absolutely,
Yes,
absolutely.
it is the passion.
It is
Right.
the
Very
passion.
right. Right.
Thank
It
you
is the
so much,
passion.
Vishaka ma'am. Got the answer.
And Ina ma'am, you can please show, if you can show that pic which I have made. Let's laugh together. That
Let
smiley. That smiley.
That's my that face you have drawn, ma'am.
Yes. Can we see that?
Yeah, we can, but in the meantime, you can ask one
Okay.
question and let me put it
Right,
on the
right,
PPT.
right.
I'll get.
Right. And the question goes to now our ma'am Priya. Do you want to ask from Priya ma'am or I shall continue? Ina ma'am, is there question coming to you for Priya ma'am or I shall continue?
There are two questions coming up. One, I would like to
Yes.
see her son on the screen,
Very good.
so that
Hmm.
energy comes on the entire arena. And secondly,
Okay.
I have come across something which is the hidden talent of her, which even I was not aware, that
Okay.
she sings very well.
Great.
Singing in her passion. So can we have something? Both the things can happen at the same time. You can bring in
Right.
your baby also. Let
I
us know the name.
just yes. His name is Ekaksh. I just check if he's not sleeping. I'll take him. Just give me some time.
Sure. So in the meanwhile, we are moving on to Vishakha, ma'am. You can just get him in.
Okay. So Vishakha ma'am,
जी.
one thing more. You develop skills. No, I just went through your profile and it is there in you also did number of things in developing skills. And today it has become the need and demand that every individual should develop skills. So do you think that this skill development cross path in education system?
I think when I speak the next lines, you would understand. Everybody is unique with special qualities, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it's stupid. So
Right.
our education system has to undergo transformation, and I guess the welcome move is the NEP. Let's see how it is put into action. Because when Albert Einstein wrote this, he was even referring to himself. He was considered a fool at school, thrown out with a letter sent to his mother that sorry, we can't teach your son. But the mother played a crucial role there. When the child asked, when the boy Einstein asked his mother, what is written in the letter? The mother said, the school has written that you are such an excellent student that they fail to have resources to teach you. So I will teach you at home.
Yes,
And this
great.
built up on the confidence of Einstein. So,
Very right.
this is how we work on it. And that is very important. We cannot make the people, drive them in one direction. We have to understand the individual differences and take the things forward accordingly.
Great. So it means that vocational training and skill development is
Is
the
very important.
utmost need, and
Need.
it should be brought in education system. Yes, and we do that. And we do that. NEP is working upon its own policy, but as educators, it's our own responsibilities as well that we develop skills, we develop confidence, and yes, the
Entrepreneurship.
yes, among our students, they start their own things. They create and they innovate from very beginning. Even
Absolutely.
science always tells us about it.
Right. So
That
now NEP
children
is
should,
bringing these vocational skills into the limelight, into the focus, and these will be
yes,
introduced from a very, very basic level, class 6 and onwards. So children can understand where their interest lies. When after 10th, the choice of subject is open. Now there is nothing as physics, the science stream, the commerce stream, and the art stream. Which
yes,
is why, again, the concept is whatever the child wants to study, let them study. I don't want to be an engineer, but I want to remain in the science stream. I have to study physics, chemistry, maths. I have to study physics, chemistry, bio. Why can't I? I love physics, but I have to study bio and chemistry along with it, which I don't like. So now I'll study bio, I'll study accountancy, and I'll study fine arts, which is the liberation given by CBSE now. The NEP now.
and if it is truly implemented, it
Yes.
will create
Yes.
a holistic development.
Very true. Because right now we need to understand even one fact. NEP is just an intent document. It is not an
Right.
implementation document.
Implementation is again in the three hands only. Yours, isn't it? The students and the parents.
Right.
All three needs to contribute from
Yes.
their part. And
Yes.
all together, then only it will be holistic. Ina ma'am, are you ready with that?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Yes, yes. So because time also says that.
It's,
Wow. So see,
So
can
how
we
is
have
it?
beautiful? Because it's your own unique creativity. So
All
you
geometrical.
all symmetrical. So now
Right.
see, you could even make either it's the tooth or the tongue, but that's a difference. You even gave this person possibly a nose pin, a hanging nose pin in the center. So that's your creativity, your thought process. So again, nobody thought of this design. Some made circular eyes. So
Right.
everybody is unique. Everybody's thought process is different.
Yes. And the most creative one is the smile.
Is this right? And the smiles are also different, believe me.
Yes, yes, yes. Every smile
Every smile is different.
is a different.
दशावतार्स are different. सब विष्णु के अवतार हैं, but सब अलग
Right.
हैं, सबकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स
सब.
अलग है. तो जब भगवान में एक नहीं है, तो हम क्यों सोचे कि हम उसके जैसे क्यों हैं?
Very right. Very right. Yes, Ina ma'am, please.
yes, Priya ma'am is there with her son.
Uh,
Let's put them on the spotlight now.
Ah,
yes.
yeah.
Great.
So sweet.
So cute.
And with him in your arms, I think you can go on for 1 or 2 minutes of singing as well, ma'am. Priya ma'am.
Welcome, Ina ma'am. Come on. Yes.
Yes, yes, surely.
So there is a song जो मैं हमेशा इसके लिए गाती हूँ. I'll sing that 2-3 lines. So तुम्हें देख कर तो लगता है ऐसे बहारों का मौसम आया हो जैसे दिखाई न देती अंधेरे में ज्योति अगर तुम ना होते अगर तुम ना होते हमें और जीने की चाहत ना होती अगर तुम ना होते अगर तुम ना होते. Thank you.
Thank
Awesome.
you so much, Priya.
So
Awesome. Very
melodious.
nice.
Thank you.
Priya ma'am,
जी.
just a last question, because
Yes.
this is very important. It is coming to my mind, so I will ask you.
Definitely.
Like the title of your foundation, ख्वाब जिंदगी के. So which ख्वाब has driven you to start or to give this title to your organization?
So, first of all, I would like to tell here that me and Ina ma'am both are partners in this firm. We have started this jointly. So,
Ina ma'am, congratulations.
So when हम जब काम कर रहे थे, हम किसी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए उस टाइम पे काम कर रहे थे साथ में, तो we used to go to slums और वहाँ पे हम लोगों से मिलते थे, उनसे बात करते थे, and also तो उनकी जो लाइफस्टाइल थी, if you remember, हमने एक बार कुछ बच्चों से बात की थी. We asked them कि आप आगे फ्यूचर में क्या बनना चाहते हैं, right? So उनके बहुत सारे ख्वाब थे कि अगर हमें मौका मिलेगा तो हम डॉक्टर बनेंगे, टीचर बनेंगे, पायलट बनेंगे. तो हमारा एक विजन वहां से शुरू हुआ कि हमें इनकी हेल्प करनी है. हमने वहां से काम करना शुरू किया एंड वो जो ख्वाब था, जो उनके ख्वाब थे, वी ट्राइड कि हम इनके ख्वाब को हकीकत में चेंज करें. सिमिलरली हम दोनों का भी एक मिशन था कि हम अपना जो सोसाइटी है उसको एक नया रूप दें, जो चीजें सोसाइटी में नहीं है. सो जॉइंटली जब हम ये सारी चीजों को देखते हैं तो वी केम टू अ कंक्लूजन कि हम अपने नाम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम ख्वाब रखेंगे, बिकॉज हमारा खुद के ख्वाब कि हम दूसरों के ख्वाब को पूरा करें, हम लोगों की मदद करें, हम अपनी सराउंडिंग्स को बेटर करें. सो वो ख्वाब से ये ख्वाब कनेक्टेड है कहीं ना कहीं.
Great. And that's how the name has been given to your
Yes.
foundation.
Yes.
Salute to you and Ina ma'am for bringing up those slum children. Dreams also come true along with yours. Great, ma'am. Okay, Ina ma'am, anything else coming to your mind?
No, ma'am. All the questions have been covered from my side.
Okay, all queries have been solved. And so now it's time to honor and to felicitate all our guests, right? So let's welcome and thank our guest of honor, Pagidipalli Rajarao sir. Sir, we are highly honored to have you here, and 3H family feels proud to present a token of love, that is a sapling and a certificate of gratitude and honor to you for rendering your valuable time and virtuosity at Unique You at the rate Kuch Baatein Zindagi Ki. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. A round of applause to sir. Sir, we would also like you to felicitate our guest speakers and coordinator. So, Ina ma'am, may I have our first guest of speaker certificate on the screen? Sir?
Ma'am.
Yes, the stage is all yours.
Thank you, Gupta ma'am. Really, today you made it a wonderful program, ma'am, because you have spoken from what we call in your language, dil se. Really, truly appreciable, ma'am, because you have spoken about much about students and learning. Because I think your students are very fortunate to have you as a teacher, because I think that you can make it very interactive. Because I see that you can study the students' mind, and as per their mind, you will go interact with them. Really, they are very fortunate, ma'am. The way you have spoken about so many things, especially about education system, teaching and learning, they are very much important in the present scenario, ma'am. Thank you. As the system is changing, scenario is changing, generations are changing, education system should be changed. Yes, it can be changed when teachers are like you come forward and do all these things. Certainly, it happens, ma'am. Thank you so much, and I want to thank you for the first example that you have given about the unique with the two pictures. Really, that's great, ma'am, because every person is unique. When people start knowing about their uniqueness, the world becomes much happier, ma'am, because people are comparing themselves with others. They're comparing their lives with others, and they are becoming very sad. So really, that's the best example ever we can see, ma'am. Thank you so much. Truly, you are eligible and you deserve more, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for the honor. I'm humbled.
So now, sir, please felicitate our next guest, Mrs. Priya Singh.
Priya Singh, ma'am, it's a really, it's not like Dil Se, but it's from directly from life. Because the way you are talking about the kid, I mean your son, the way you are talking about the characteristics of a mother, and the way you are involving as a mother and as a child at the same time, really, it's amazing, ma'am. Especially the best thing today is seeing your son with you on the screen. Really, it's a much more delighted. Ma'am, one sentence you said, that's really great, ma'am. That is, how, things will fall automatically when we are original. Uh, that's really great, ma'am. When we are original, really things will fall, ma'am. But people are trying to imitate others. So this is the problem. And Vishaka ma'am also mentioned the same in a different aspect, even in a different aspect. Anyway, ma'am, seeing you both on the screen today, it's made my day. And not only my day, the audience, whoever watching, is they deserve a best show from you both, because it has come from real lives. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Ina Singh, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. You have brought beauty to the show, ma'am, because such a way you are coordinating all. Really, your presence of mind, the way you are presenting yourself, and the way you are speaking and connecting everyone here in the program. Really great, ma'am. Really, such type of expressions, body language that is required for the coordinator to coordinate all. Because when you are the best, the program will best, ma'am. So Ina Singh, ma'am, salute to you, because you made it. You made this program today beautiful. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And
sir.
then, so there is one more person. No, we should not leave her. Where is the certificate? Because last but not the least, Chenchal Bhargav, ma'am, the leader of the day in our language. If there is a man of the match, like man of the series in this program, that is none other than Chenchal Bhargav, ma'am.
Absolutely.
Really, I
agree.
have been seeing her programs for the past few months, especially the World Peace Summit. Really, you are doing fantastic and fabulous job, ma'am. And moreover, you are so spiritual, ma'am. I have been seeing and I have been observing that spirituality, you are radiating spirituality. That is the need of the hour, ma'am, because people are living with fear. We can overcome the fear with spirituality, because God can give us that strength to cope up with all the challenges, whatever we have in our lives. Really, you are doing amazing job, ma'am. The spirituality that should be developed in every mind. So for that, world peace, spirituality, and motivational programs. You have shouldered so many responsibilities on this occasion. I request God and I pray to God to give her more strength to do more programs. And I also request the governments to recognize such type of personalities to give good role in governments so that we can see more programs. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And thank you all the guests for inviting me here. Thank you.
Raja Rao sir, now tell me, is there any certificate, shield or trophy required? You had given all from your heart, and that is the best award and reward.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any space in any heart and words, that is the best award, and I have received. Thank you so much for your humbleness. Really, I'm pleased to have you all here. And the way you shared your life examples, they say that we all are unique and we all can do wonders in the society. Only the need is our passion, just a spark, just to ignite that spark and start with. People will follow you. I just did the same. Initiative comes, I start and see the things happen. But only a noble intention is needed. So I'm very much pleased to have heard everybody from on this Unique You platform. It's always gives me another booster to organize some other new things. Thank you so much, all of you, for being here. And let me also thank Almighty first, because it's the Almighty grace and showers of blessings that we all are gathered or assembled on such a unique platform and shared uniquely our attributes, our lifestyles, our happiness, which make each other's happy, smile, rejuvenated. Thank you once again, everybody here on this Unique You platform.